Here's a review on this Kichler Lija 52-inch LED ceiling fan in satin black. Now, one thing that stands out to me is its sleek and contemporary design. So this fan does come with 4 blades. These blades are also reversible. I like that both the motor and the fan blades are quiet, especially if you're trying to relax and enjoy some quiet time while reading a book or taking a nap. The edge case opal glass in the middle lets out light beautifully. Also, the satin black finish is resistant to wear and tear. So when I turn the lights on, as you can see, it does light up the area pretty well. Right now it is daytime, so you can't really tell. The fan does have 3 speeds, which allows you to control with a handheld control. Very beautiful and functional ceiling fan. So if you're looking for one like this, consider this one. I highly recommend this Kichler ceiling fan.